Hi friends, in this video we have studied the problem on the spur gear. This is the second problem. In previous lecture, first problem will be seen. In this video, the second problem is a gear pair of involute profile with a pressure angle of 14.5 has a module of 4 mm and the number of teeth 25 and 60. If the addendum is the one module and addendum is the 1.157 times the module, determine the length of the arc of contact and the contact ratio. This is the given data. A gear pair of involute profile with a pressure angle of 14.5. Pressure angle is denoted by phi and this value is 14.5. Has a module of 4 mm. Module दिलेले तुम्हाला 4 mm. Module is the 4 mm. 4 mm and the number of teeth 25 and the 60. Number of teeth 25 means number of small t is the 25 and the capital T is the 60. And the addendum is the one module and the addendum is the one module and the addendum is the 1.157. Addendum दिलेला आहे one module. Addendum one module दिलेला आहे A is equal to one module. Module किती दिले आहे तुम्हाला 4. 1 into 4 mm. Okay. Next, addendum is 1.157. Addendum is times of the module. Addendum दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला addendum 1.157 into 4. Okay, this value is 28. 4.62 mm. Okay, addendum of the circle. Okay, then next will be the times of the module. Determine the length of the arc of contact. Find काय करायला लावले तुम्हाला. Find first is the length of arc of contact. First, length of arc of contact. Length of arc of contact means KL is equal to KP plus PL. Okay. Second will be the contact ratio. Okay. These two value we have find in this problem. The first what is the length of arc of contact? KL is equal to KP plus PL. This is a formula for the KP. KP is the length of races and length of path of races and length of path of approaches. Okay, and then first we have given as the T, small t and capital T. We have find out the radius of the pinion. Small r is equal to mt upon 2. m into small t दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला 25 आणि 2 m दिलेला आहे 4. 2 जातो 4, that is a 50 mm. Okay, then this circle radius of gear. Next काय आहे, फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट केलं तुम्ही radius of pinion, second radius of gear. As capital R is equal to mt upon 2. m दिलेला 4, capital T दिला आहे number of teeth on gear 60 divided by 2 म्हणजे किती आलं 120 mm. Then the radius of the addendum circle means RA is equal to small a plus capital R, that is value 120. Addendum circle के addendum is 4 mm, that is a 124 mm. Okay, next small r a, that is small a plus small r, that is a small r is the radius of pinion 50 plus small a is 4, that is 54 mm. Okay, this is a 54 mm. Then what is the kp? The formula for the kp is the length of approach, that is a kp, that is a kp is equal to length of the approach. What is the formula for the length of approach? That is a kp is equal to under root of ra square minus r square cos square phi minus r sin phi. ओके, तर ह्यामध्ये तुम्हाला सगळं माहिती रेडियस ऑफ द अडेंडम रेडियस अँड रेडियस ऑफ द पिनियन, रेडियस ऑफ द गिअर. ओके, द रेडियस अडेंडम रेडियस सर्कल किती दिलेली तुम्हाला 124 चा स्क्वेअर मायनस स्मॉल आर, दॅट इज 120 स्क्वेअर कॉस स्क्वेअर फायची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली तुम्हाला 14.5 मायनस 120 साइन ऑफ फायची व्हॅल्यू दिली 14.5. देन आफ्टर कॅल्क्युलेशन वी हॅव गेट 13.30 mm. After calculation we have get the 13.30 mm. Okay, then next will be length of recess, length of path of recess, that is PL. It is a formula will be PL is equal to under root of small ra square minus r square cos square phi minus r sin phi minus r small r sin phi is equal to तिथे तुमचं RA ची व्हॅल्यू इज 50, RA ची व्हॅल्यू किती 54, RA ची व्हॅल्यू 54 चा स्क्वेअर मायनस 50 स्क्वेअर कॉस स्क्वेअर 14.5 मायनस R 50 इंटू साइन ऑफ 14.5. आफ्टर कॅल्क्युलेशन वी हॅव गेट PL म्हणजे लेंथ ऑफ पाथ ऑफ रेसेस, वी हॅव गेट द 11.14 mm. ओके, 11.41 mm. Then what is the formula of the length of path of contact? That is the KP is equal to KL is equal to length of path of contact, that is the KP plus PL. This value of KP is the 13.30 plus 11.41. Then value of KL means length of arc of contact, KL is equal to, after calculation we have get the KL is equal to 24.7 mm. Then next will be the length of arc of contact, that is higher than तुमचा length of path of contact. And then next will be the length of arc of contact. Is a formula is the length of path of contact upon cos 5. लेंथ ऑफ पाथ ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट काय आलेला आहे तुमचा 24.71 डिवायडेड बाय कॉस ऑफ 14.5. देन we have, after calculation we have get the 25.52 mm, that is the length of arc of contact. This value we have find as the length of arc of contact 25.5 mm. Then the next will be the we have find the contact ratio. The next will be the contact ratio. What is the formula for the contact ratio? Contact ratio, what is the formula of contact ratio? Length of arc of contact, length of arc of contact, length of arc of contact divided by pi m. means length of arc of contact किती आलेला आहे तुमचा 25.52 divided by pi into modulus 4. तर कॉन्टॅक्ट रेशो किती येतो तुमचा 1.96, त्यालाच अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 2. दॅट इज द कॉन्टॅक्ट रेशो. दॅट इज द कॉन्टॅक्ट रेशो इज 2. ओके, दिस 12 म्हणजे आन्सर काय येईल तुमचं. फायनल आन्सर विल बी, फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट करायला लावलं तुम्हाला लेंथ ऑफ आर्क ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट किती येतं तुमचं 25.52 mm. ओके, and second will be contact ratio. Second will be the contact ratio, that is 2. It is the 2. Okay, this will be final answer. Okay, thank you.